what's up? I'm Oindrila and welcome to the first episode of Oindrila's Epistemology. In this episode, I'm going to tell you about Korean beauty, also known as K-beauty. Now, we have heard so much about glass skin, honey skin, dumpling skin. I'm sure most of us have wondered that what is this buzz about? Why is everyone talking about Korean beauty and what is Korean skincare products? What is so different about it? In this video, I'm going to give you a small introduction to the world of K-beauty. In the coming weeks, I am also going to give you a few recommendations of the most loved Korean skincare products based on your skin type. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please do leave a comment below telling me about your skin concerns and skin type. If you are confused about what is your skin type, I have made a video on the same. Here is the link. Now let's address the first question, and that is, what is K-beauty? K-beauty products are actually built with three Korean philosophies in mind. The first philosophy is Korean skincare regimes are designed to deliver results in the long run. So what they do is they nourish your skin and nurture them one layer at a time, as a result of which the results might take a little time for it to show on your skin. However, the results achieved are there with you for a longer run. The second philosophy is Korean beauty is all about customization. Now, nobody knows your skin better than you. Similarly, no two Korean skincare regimes are the same. What might be my skincare regime using Korean products would be way different for you because our skin types are different, our skin concerns are different. The third philosophy is Korean beauty products are inspired by nature. May it be the snail mucin, may it be the microneedles, may it be anything that is being used, everything is inspired by nature. Now coming to the question that is Korean skincare always supposed to be done in a 10-step method? Well, the answer to that is no. Everything is dependent on your skin type and skin concern. Some may have only a 5-step process, some may have 10, some may have 15. It all depends on your skin concerns and what other skin problems you are treating at that moment. The basic 10-step method is designed in the following ways. The first is oil cleansing. So basically you use a oil-based cleanser so that all the impurities on your skin that do not usually dissolve in water are actually dissolved in oil and hence are removed from your skin. So the second step is a water-based or a gel-based cleanser that you use to remove the leftover impurities from your face. Third step is exfoliation, where you use an exfoliator to remove all the dead skin cells from your skin. Now, as you can see, exfoliators are not something you use every single day, as a result of which this step is actually optional. The fourth step is hydration using a toner. In this step, we are going to use a toner which is going to hydrate your skin. The fifth step is essence. Now, in this, what we do is we use an essence to actually amplify the hydration process. Now, again, this step is optional. It depends on your age. It depends on whether you have dry skin or not. If you have super dry skin, then yes, this essence is of huge importance. However, if you have super oily skin and your skin does not require as much hydration, then just a toner would do. Finally comes the sixth step, which is using essential oils to rejuvenate your skin. Facial oils are usually used to address a particular skin concern that you have. The seventh step is that of a mask. Again, this step is not something you do every single day, where you're using a sheet mask to give that extra care to your skin. The eighth step is eye cream. So if you have under eye problems, if you have wrinkles under eye or anything of that sort, in this step, you are going to treat the same. The ninth step is that of a moisturizer, and this is something you have to do. A moisturizer is used to actually not only hydrate your skin but also lock the hydration so that your skin is hydrated all throughout the day. Finally, the step is that of an SPF, which is a mandatory step of your daytime routine. No matter whether you are stepping out or not, whether you're at home itself, you must apply SPF. I hope you found this video useful and informative. Please do let me know in the comment section about what you felt about this video. Also, please do not forget to write your skin concerns and skin type in the comments so that I can recommend you Korean skincare products according to your skin concern and skin problem. Until next time, flashes, loads of love. Bye.